Hello and welcome to Benji's Food Corner. Today I'll be creating an amazing peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But before we start, I got a comment telling me to clean my camera. I wasn't aware that this was a problem, but now that I think about it, my footage has seemed a bit blurry recently. I'm going to wipe it down right now using Windex wipes. Wow, that made an astounding difference. Now let's get started. I was originally going to make a video about one of my favorite sandwiches, grilled cheeses, but ran into issues such as burning them and undercooking them. These grilled cheese failures made me rethink things, and I've come to the conclusion that grilled cheeses are too difficult for me to make. I've instead decided to make my new favorite sandwich, the peanut butter and jelly. You will need bread, peanut butter, and jelly. First, spread the peanut butter on one side. Then, spread a jelly of your choice across the other bread. The trick is to add as much as possible. Careful assembly and slice diagonally. Knife warning, do not cut yourself. Now enjoy your meal, served with milk, and also hit that like button.